outside of the club. Told you just who I was. Outside of
Alright guys, so we just landed in Seattle, Washington. I really wanted to film at the airport and getting the rental car, but we waited for like, what, an hour and a half at the rental car place. Getting on the plane and stuff was really hectic. So we just got our rental car right now and we are on the way to go eat some pho. So for those who don't know, I've actually been to Seattle one time when I was like a kid, but since like I'm older now, I don't really remember like coming here and doing much. So now that I have the opportunity to travel by myself, we actually get to like experience and explore new things around Seattle. Alright y'all, here's the pho. Spring roll. It's a little too small. The sauce is good though. Alright, first bite. Alright guys, so we just got done eating at Pho Back here in Seattle. Supposedly this is like the best pho here according to what YouTubers and people say on YouTube. What would you rate the pho?
Rate it 8.
8 out of what? 20?
10. 8 out of 10.
I would rate it 8 out of 10 also. But yeah, this spot is pretty cool. It's not too busy here. Parking lot is really small, but god damn, bro. Jeez, people here drive so crazy, bro. But yeah, I would rate the spot 8 out of 10. I would recommend you guys coming here if you guys want to eat some pho. Maybe we might try another pho spot tomorrow too. So after pho, we just went around to some Asian places, Asian stores around International District. And right now we are at Bruce Lee and Brandon Lee's grave. I used to grow up watching Bruce Lee movies all the time with my dad, and so I've always wanted to see it. Alright guys, I finally got to see Bruce Lee's grave after how many years? 20 years? Alright, so now the plan for later is to go to the Space Needle around 7 so we can catch the sunset.
I mean, it is kind of setting now.
Yeah. I don't know, they said sunset's at 7:30 or 7:40.
No.
So we have about an hour to kill-ish, kinda, so either we'll see you guys at the Space Needle or see you guys wherever we go right now. So. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the Space Needle. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come step right here. Come here. Come stand with me. Hurry up. Hop on. Take one step. Take one step. Take one step. Take one step.
I'm trying to.
Take one step. How about this one? This one right here. See? This side's cool too. The skyline is nice over here. Alright guys, we just finished from the Space Needle. It's my first time going up there. It's pretty cool. We got to see the sunset. And now we're taking pictures of this beautiful lady. And then we might just head back to the hotel. We didn't even check in yet. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Y'all can't tell, we just kind of do whatever. Yeah, we don't even have like a itinerary or schedule or whatever. We just kind of do whatever on the fly. So yeah, see you guys. Alright, good morning guys. Today is day 2. After the Space Needle last night, we pretty much just came to the hotel and like knocked out. Pretty exhausted from yesterday. So right now it is 7:04. We're gonna head to Pike Place. Hopefully get some nice pictures over there and, you know, experience like the market and everything over there. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
Yeah, and I hope you're ready. I ain't love nobody else until you walked up in my life. There's no need for explanations, girl, I'll be here by your side. Just stay focused on my...
So we just found parking and currently paying right now. Alright guys, we made it to Park Place. That's in Monopoly. That's in Monopoly. Alright guys, we made it to Pike's Place. It's not really much open right now, so we're gonna walk around and see what there is. Hi, Yunjong. Oh, I got that on camera. Guys, there's Hmong people here. Alright, so we're just walking around right now. It's not much open yet, but we're finding a lot of Hmong people here. We're at this bakery store right now and get some coffee and a croissant for breakfast. Can I do the almond chocolate? To go. That's it. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the chocolate almond croissant. Just break it in half. Here's a burger. I try. How's it? Huh? You gonna steal it from me? No. Guys, look at this beautiful view. It's on the house or how much is it? Free. You want to try it? You guys don't forget. Sure. We got from? St. Paul. Minnesota. Yes, it is. Alright, what do we get? Smoked salmon? Alright, try it.
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Let me try it.
See, this one too.
got some oyster shooters.
Show it.
That was the one thing I was craving for. Or that I wanted to eat up here. Oh, show it? I thought you said to eat it. Oh no, I thought you said shot it or something like that. What would you rate the salmon?
8. It tastes almost like yours.
This is the gumwa, guys. Look at all that shit down there. Oh my god. This is dangling. Yeah, guys, we're going on a cruise. This is like so last minute.
The most popular one
Guys,
this
we're at
year
the
so
top
far has been
now.
a Huckleberry Lemon.
Beach. All I wanna do is Saturday standing in shore. You will never wanna pacify me. Rather feel ashamed than being happy. When it's all said and done, I want you in the moonlight.
How was it? Did you like it?
It's alright.
That's a good view of the city. Next time we just rent our own boat. And then we go fishing.
Jet ski.
We have a jet ski too. Alright guys, we just finished the boat tour. It was pretty cool. We get to see the skyline, the city from the water point of view. Alright, good morning beautiful people. We are up early today, bright and early. Oh shit, it's actually dark outside. Time is currently 6:04. We're about to head to Olympic National Park right now. I think the first place we're gonna try to hit up is the whole rainforest. We're gonna try to get that out of the way since there's a lot of people that go there, and then I heard that like a lot of people end up lining up outside of the entrance or whatever. So I guess we'll play that by ear. If not, then we might just end up doing that tomorrow. We'll just drive back there. So we'll see what we do. And are you okay? Why are you so loud? Oh yeah, and then another thing, when I first got the rental car, there was a tire pressure sign, and then right now the tire pressure is really, really low. And I've been driving with it like that, so that's probably the first thing that I should do before driving like a few hours. So let's go do that first.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You taught me how to live life, but I feel stuck. Why can't I just figure out this missing piece? I'm haunted by these memories. Yeah, dark clouds instead of blue skies.
Alright guys, first stop is Ruby Beach. Guys, it's so beautiful here. You can see the ocean. I'm such a pro hiker, vlogging. What do you think about Ruby Beach? I thought it's actually not that cold. Think about it. It's so nice here. I think right now it's low tide. It's wet right here, but the tide is all the way down there. Really? Oh, feels kind of good. This is a little stream. Goes to the ocean. I think it comes from back there. Oh yeah, see? Over there.
You going?
Yeah, go.
I don't have balance though.
Huh? You wanna go or no? Okay. It's okay. Well, we can go to the next place then. Alright guys, so we made it to the whole rainforest, and there's not that much traffic. But we are currently in line right now. I don't think this is a lot of people. What I've heard was that some people wait like, I don't know, like an hour just to get in. But the line seems to be moving pretty fast, so it's probably not that bad today. So I'll catch you guys when we're about to hike, I guess. Alright guys, we made it to the whole rainforest. Wait, it all connects this way, right? This girl is dying over here.
Too much.
She is not a nature girl. Guys, the weather's beautiful here. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's not windy. I feel like I can breathe. Guys, look how big these trees are. Do you know how to count how old the trees are? You count every line right here.
What is it?
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, that's how many years old it is.
Is it bad that I want more? See, bustin' like a toolie in your waistband. Bustin' like that booty too big and you need to eat. Bustin' like you catching the body and you in G-stand. Bustin' like it's casual Friday and you here too. It's cold blood. I know it's up. Can't get enough.
You guys wanna see something beautiful?
Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both dangerous. Moving so close, we can bust. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? We both scared of love. Moving so close, we can bust.
Thank you. Oh, this shit's heavy. Alright guys, it's our first time on a ferry. This looks cool. Are you able to go outside? Oh, we could go, yeah, the sun deck upstairs, right? Guys, we don't know what to do. Oh, wow. Yo, we outside. This is so cool. It's so nice out. So what do you think about the ferry?
I like it.
Different experience.
It's kind of scary.
Why?
Because you're on water.
It looks scary over there. It's hella cloudy. Almost not real food, bro.
I feel like we've been eating real food.
We barely ate shit the past 2 days. Anyways, we'll see you guys when we hit Edmonds. We'll see what we do.
Go.